makes us more competitive. It gives a customer an opportunity to compare machines and see how different the services are, how we stand apart from others, and how they stand apart from us. That's the reason why we participate in shows. Our shows educate our customers. It brings us old customers back to show them how they have benefited buying our products as well. Saso Canada believes that there should be a Canadian show, and that's why we have always participated and as the major sponsors of the show. Even though we were not expecting this to be such a big show, we put our bet on you and we wanted to support the Canadian trade shows, and that's why we are here today.
To compare different products, different companies, and understand what's better for their business. For sure, it's an opportunity for the exhibitors and for the people that are coming to visit the show.
The Canadian market absolutely needs a representation of the industry within the country. We don't have to travel to the US. We don't have to go around the world. The Canadian market needs a show of this tenure. Hopefully that the show grows and people support it, and that it has the ability to work itself through Canada. I believe that the show needs to have a Toronto base, needs to have a Quebec base, needs to have a Western base. These are all things that are really a necessity for the landscape of Canada. Big country, lots of people across. The show needs to be a traveling show, and hopefully that it will continue to expand and be supported by the industry.
The interaction with other businesses to see what's out there, what are we missing, what do we need to implicate. I think it's very important to get the ideas from everybody else. We're all in competition. I've seen a lot of competitors here, and it gives us ins and outs and the possibility of new engagements with other types of products.
Trade shows serve a very specific purpose, which is to allow our customers to be able to touch and feel the products that we sell. And so this show really gives us that ability to finally do it after a year and a half.
It's been a long time coming. It's been a no-brainer for our industry to have an event like this, so we're excited and looking forward to next year already.